Today we're going to be doing a backseat modification. Normal 1500, it comes up like this, the back seat comes up. But it does not allow you to fold this part down. There's no way to do this. So we're going to make a slight modification to this seat. I saw a video on YouTube, I'll make my own. And we'll show you what needs to do step by step. So we have 2 bolts on either side to hold the seat in place. 18mm wrench will do it. I'm going to take these off and then I'll show you the second step. Alright, now we got one side out. We're going to do the other side. And these also have Loctite on them, so it takes a minute to get them out. It takes forever actually. But again, 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here. Okay, so finally, after 20 minutes of playing with a bolt, we got this thing off. Now what we're going to do here is we are going to go get a hacksaw and cut just to the bottom of this plastic thing off. That should give us enough lift to get the seat up and be able to fold it down like this, so you can actually put stuff behind here too. So that is the goal at the moment. And so I am off to Lowe's to get a hacksaw and we will cut these off. Alright guys, we're back from Lowe's and I just got a hacksaw. So as you can see, we are going to use this and just use this plastic piece as a guide. And we're going to cut this part of the metal part off just flush with this plastic piece. Alright, as you can see here, I cut it flush with this piece. And now, when we actually pick the bottom of the seat up, it should give us enough clearance for the top to be able to fold down now. But it does not compromise the structure of the seat, because this still clips in to these hooks here. And now, we should just be able to just pick up the seat. So let me do the other side. We'll come back. Alright, so now, I went ahead and put the seat back up. As you can see, it's still locked into place. What I'm gonna do is try to put in one of these bolts down here. And now I'm probably gonna put Loctite back on these just to make sure that they're secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some Loctite real quick. We will put these 1 bolt back in to make sure that this thing sits down properly. Alright guys, we are done with this backseat modification. I will show you how it works. I may need 2 hands, so bear with me. So now, you can still pick the bottom of your seat up, but that'll fold down just like that. So again, you see the back seat is secure, no problem. And now you can actually use behind the seat too instead of just under it. But again, you can just pull it up like normal. Back seat's gonna stay in place. Or, show this again. You pick it up about halfway. That slides forward. So now you got extra room to store stuff back here. And that, should be all it is. There you go guys. So we are done with that. All you need is a $15 hacksaw and an 8mm ratchet or a wrench. Put the bolts back in, they're tight. So yes, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Take care and have a nice day.